Alright guys, so this is going to be the tutorial and review video for the invisible card trick. So first for this trick, what you need to do is you need to just, well first I'll show you the performance and then I'll do the review portion of the video and show you how to do it. So for this trick, it's you can just shuffle the cards as much as you like, doesn't matter. Steven can even come over here, he can just shuffle the cards for me really fast, just once or twice. So you guys know that it's a completely shuffled deck and you can just see it's just mixed up. So first I'm going to ask Steven to just pick any card. Alright, and just show the camera. Alright, got it memorized. And now just tell him when to stop whenever you'd like, Steven.
Stop.
Right here? Okay, place right there. And we'll just take those cards, give the cards some cuts, some more cuts, and some final cuts. And we can even give the cards a little shuffle. And now I'm going to ask Steven to think of a number just between 1 and 52, and just preferably a lower number, maybe from about 10 to 20. And just think of a number. And first, I'm going to give you your invisible card. So I'll just take the card off the top of the deck, give it to you. Hold on to that, keep it safe. So, what number are you thinking of?
17.
17. Alright, so we're going to go to the 17th card in the deck. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the 17th card in the deck is not your card, of course, because your card is, you already have your invisible card with you, so it can't be yours. So we'll flip that card back over, and could you hand me your invisible card again? Thanks. Alright, we'll just place it right there in the 17th position, and we'll try this one more time. See, we just have a snap of the fingers and a wave, and just by returning that invisible card back to the deck, into the 17th position, you'll see that if we count down to the 17th position, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and you'll see that now the card in the 17th position is your card, the King of Hearts. Is that it?
Yes.
Alright, so now I'll show you how to do that. So to start out the trick, what you need to do is you just need to shuffle the cards. Doesn't really matter. This is a completely normal trick. You don't need there's no setup involved. So the spectator can shuffle the cards as much as they'd like. You can shuffle the cards, and then you just need to have the spectator select any card. Doesn't matter what it is. This time it's the Queen of Clubs. So ask them to memorize that card, and then what you do is you just riffle down the deck. I went like this. You can also go like this, and then just ask them to tell you when to stop, and they say stop. You stop there. You ask them to give you their card, and then they place it in. And you can then just place the rest of the cards on top, but establish a little pinky break if you'd like, or a thumb break. And it doesn't really matter, but you just want to make sure that you control their card to get to the top of the deck. So what I did in the video is I did a little double undercut. So I had a thumb break right here, and then I took portions of the cards below the break, and then moved them to the top, and then I took the rest of the cards and moved them to the top, and that makes it so we have the Queen of Clubs under the top. What you could also do is have a little pinky break, so you can see that, and then you could table cut the cards and just say, I'll give the cards some cuts. You just take portions of the cards above that pinky break, place them on the table until you get to about where the pinky break is, and then you place all the cards down so you get to that pinky break, and then you place the rest of the cards down. And that'll get the Queen of Clubs to the top of the deck. And what you do now is you just tell them that, think of a number between 1 and 52, and as you say that, you want to just count off 3 cards off the top of the deck. Don't reverse the order. Just say, think of a number between 1 and 52, and then count those 3 cards off, and then get a pinky break under the top 3, under those top 3 cards, just like this. And then you tell them to think of a number between 1 and 52. Tell them preferably lower, because you don't want to be counting cards forever. So I said between 10 and 20. You could say between 10 and 30, 20 and 30, whatever. And let's say they say 13. So what you do, before you go on, you want to hand them their invisible card, of course. So you say, hold on to your invisible card, and just keep it safe. We're gonna remove it from the deck, and you can hold on to it. And then let's say their number was 15. You say, we'll count down 15 cards, and you take off the first card normally. You place it down, 1. And then what you do is that now you have 2 cards here, 1, 2. And you place down those next 2 cards, and you place down those next 2 cards as 1, and you say 1, 2, and then you say 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then you go all the way until 1 before their number, and then you say the 15th card or 16th card or whatever number card is obviously not your card because I gave you your invisible card. And you say, you flip the card back over and you say, hand me the invisible card back, and you take their invisible card, so to speak, and you place it right there, and you say, let's try this one more time. Pick up the rest of the cards that you dealt down on the table, put them on top, and you say, now, with a snap, if we go to the 15th card, and you count down to the 15th card, you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and this time, you say with a snap and a wave, oh, whoops. Well, I must have miscounted. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and then the 15th card should be their card, the Queen of Clubs in this case. And they'll be amazed. They'll think that the invisible card, that their invisible card magically appeared and came to life and was now in the 15th position or whatever position, and it's a great trick. So practice it a lot. Rewatch this video multiple times if you need to, and just prepare for the magic show on Friday.